Building scalable and secure integrations with WSO2 involves using WSO2's comprehensive middleware platform to connect and manage various systems, applications, and services. WSO2 offers a range of tools and products that facilitate integration development and ensure scalability and security. Here are some key considerations and best practices for building such integrations. 1. Architecture design. Start by designing a scalable and resilient architecture for your integration solution. Identify the components and services that need to be integrated and define the interaction patterns between them. Consider using WSO2's middleware products like WSO2 Enterprise Integrator, EI, or WSO2 API Manager, APIM, to implement the integration architecture. 2. API management. If you are exposing APIs for integration purposes, use WSO2 API Manager to manage and secure those APIs. API Manager provides features like API Gateway, security, throttling, analytics, and developer portal, enabling you to control access, monitor usage, and enforce policies on your APIs. 3. Message brokering. WSO2 Enterprise Service Bus, ESB, or WSO2 Message Broker, MB, can be used for message brokering and routing between different systems. These products provide mediation capabilities, protocol transformation, and support for various messaging patterns like publish-subscribe and request-response. 4. Security. Ensure that your integrations are secure by implementing authentication, authorization, and encryption mechanisms. Use WSO2 Identity Server to manage user identities and provide single sign-on (SSO) capabilities. Implement transport-level security, TLS/SSL, and message-level security, WS security, to protect data in transit and at rest. 5. Scalability. Design your integration solution to handle high loads and scale horizontally as demand increases. Utilize WSO2's clustering and load balancing capabilities to distribute the workload across multiple instances of the integration components. 6. Monitoring and analytics. Implement monitoring and analytics capabilities using WSO2's monitoring and analytics products like WSO2 API Manager Analytics or WSO2 Stream Processor. These tools allow you to collect and analyze data related to your integrations, providing insights into performance, usage, and potential issues. 7. Continuous integration and deployment. CI/CD. Implement CI/CD practices to automate the build, test, and deployment processes of your integration solutions. Use tools like WSO2 API Manager, WSO2 EI, or Jenkins to streamline the CI/CD pipeline and ensure faster and reliable releases. 8. Error handling and resilience. Implement proper error handling mechanisms in your integrations to handle failures gracefully. Use WSO2's error handling mediators and fault sequence configuration to handle exceptions and retries. Implement circuit breaker patterns and fallback mechanisms to ensure resilience in case of failures. By following these best practices and leveraging the features and capabilities of WSO2's middleware products, you can build scalable and secure integrations that effectively connect and manage your systems, applications, and services.